Here's a yellow egg. Notice it's got a little orange dot on it too. Let's tie this. I'm going to be using some Kevlar thread. You want something real strong because you're going to be putting a lot of pressure on this. Start that thread right in the middle and not go too far. You want to take your egg yarn and lay a little orange strip on the top of the yellow like that. Now you're going to come in and just kind of pinch it down real good, and then you're going to come over the top, and I'm just going to do a couple of passes here, 3 passes, nice and tight, and then I'm going to come in the front, wrap that a couple of times, a whip finish. Cut off that thread. Now at this point, if you want, you can put a little drop of super glue. Help lock in those threads a little bit. And then you need to cut off this yarn. This is the part where the flag takes its shape. So I'm just going to take all this yarn and hold it tight. I'm going to kind of cut it in a rolling arc pattern here. See how close I'm getting to that hook? And then kind of work it around. And when you roll it, you've got that dot, that orange. That's the yellow egg. Now there's another technique I like to use too. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to actually take a straw, put that through, and then take the yarn and feed it through there and pull it through the straw. What I've done by doing that is I've controlled that yarn. So let's get another hook up here. And we'll tie this again. Benefit of this, I'm going to trim this end up here real quick too. So I'm just going to want a nice clean end here. The benefit of this is it's controlling that yarn a lot better than doing it freehand. Now when I come in here, I can do a couple of wraps, pull it tight. And now when it's time to cut that, I'm only really cutting the one side. But you can see in this case, there was no wasted yarn on this one because it's all on the end there. And in the first one, I had to hold up both ends, and so I wasted a bunch of extra yarn. So that's just another technique, is to throw it in a little straw like that to kind of control it.